The Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, "Man sama Ramadana, thumma atba'ahu sittan min Shawwal, kana ka siyam ad-dahr." Whoever fasts the whole month of Ramadan and then follows it up by fasting the month of Shawwal after the day of Eid, 6 days, they do not need to be consecutive, but they will be after Eid. Sometime in the month of Shawwal, 6 more days, they will have the reward of having fasted the whole year. So for now, we have the reward of having fasted Ramadan. You want to multiply it? If you want the reward of having fasted the whole year, you need to fast 6 more voluntary days that do not need to be consecutive, but in the month of Shawwal. How is it that we will then achieve the reward of the whole year? Well, it is explained quite simply that in Islam, when you do a good deed, if you follow it through with goodness, it is multiplied tenfold. Subhanallah. If I read a salah and I follow it through with goodness, I do not harm after that, I do not sin after that, and so on. Sinning in the sense that I do not usurp the rights of others or the rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then it is multiplied by 10. So 1 month of Ramadan multiplied by 10, you get 10 months, the reward of 10 months. How many months remaining? 2. How many days in 2 months? 60 days. Divided by 10, 6 days. So if I were to fast another 6 days, multiplied by 10 in terms of reward, I am having a 60 days of reward. 1 month is equivalent to 10 months, plus another 60 days, which is 2 months, the whole year. That is the idea of fasting in the month of Shawwal. That is the idea. Inshallah, I encourage you, although it is not compulsory, but I encourage you, my brothers and sisters, this year, let us make an effort. Once in our lives, a few times in our lives, make an effort to fast in Shawwal for those 6 days after the day of Eid. And if we do it more collectively with a few more people, it becomes much more easier than to do it individually. Whenever we do an act of worship, even if it is salah or the recitation of Quran or anything, when we are alone, sometimes we find it a little bit more difficult. The minute we see others doing the same, it becomes easier. My brothers and sisters, may Allah make us regular with Salatul Jama'ah, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us regular with that which is congregational in terms of the prayer as well as the fast.
أمة الإسلام بشرى إننا نلمح فجرا في شباب قد أشادوا صحوة للدين كبرى.